How to sign in to YouTube TV. Ready to kick back and enjoy YouTube TV? Let's make signing in a breeze. On your smart TV or streaming device. Step 1. Open the YouTube TV app. First things first, launch the app on your smart TV, game console, or streaming device. Step 2. Select Sign In. Look for this sign in option, and an activation code will pop up on your screen. Step 3. Go to TV at youtube.com/start. Now, grab your phone or computer and open your browser. Type in tv.youtube.com/start. Step 4. Enter the activation code. Input the code from your TV screen into your device. Step 5. Sign in with Google. Log in using the Google account linked to your YouTube TV subscription. Step 6. Complete setup. Just follow the on-screen prompts, and voila! Your device is now set to stream. On your phone or computer. Step 1. Open the app or visit the website. Kick things off by using the YouTube TV app or go straight to the official website. Step 2. Click Sign In. Enter your Google account details and complete any two-factor verification if prompted. Quick tips. Make sure to use the exact code that pops up on your TV. If your code expires, just restart the app to get a fresh one. Don't forget to use the Google account linked to your subscription. And that's all there is to it. You're now signed in and ready to enjoy YouTube TV. Happy streaming!